Unloading an '06 Nissan, I think that's what it's called, and it's probably gonna take a little while. So I hope you enjoy this.
Actually, that's gonna be clean there. Move that one out there. Alright, leave that one up. Alright, Noah. Your keys in my truck and roll her off. Oh yeah, we gotta unhook it.
Oh yeah.
Rest you're on film.
See.
Wait, what?
Alright. Now here's where you want to get Noah climbing in the pickup. I don't think you can open that door.
Ooh, you can, barely. Now, what you got to think of when you get in it, can you close it?
Yeah.
When you
So
step in.
let me stand on that side of it, tilt it up.
Yeah, there you go.
Knock it forward.
So I can push some of mine against it too. Make sure we can get the door shut again. Alright, good. We're in it and shut.
He's set.
Oh, right. It doesn't lift again.
There.
What?
Alright, no, push it off.
Oh.
Once you get to that back, you kind of hold that brake over there.
Unloading an '06 Nissan, I think that's what it's called. Woo!
Yeah, those are good.
Wow. Look at all of this. All of this was oil that came out of the car.
Gentlemen, if y'all need anything else, I may have you leave information and stuff for Johnny in there. I've got to head out.
No, y'all, thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Guys, earlier it just smelled like spaghetti, this stuff right here. This sounds weird, but sometimes that's just what it does. It makes you smell things. I don't know.
Let's go leave our stuff. And good deal. Thank you, Steph.
Doing your
Back to the
thing.
vlogs, baby. It was a success. We got it off the trailer. All right.
Doing your say out.